Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the device is updated and you're signed in as the parent or owner. Once done, set a secure passcode or lock so screen time settings can be enforced. Next, choose management method, family sharing for remote control, or configure screen time directly on this device. You're not configuring limits yet, you're enabling authority and protection. This first setup prevents accidental changes and allows you to set limits that actually stick. So take these steps now. Now configure the core controls that enforce behavior. Open Settings and locate Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing. Toggle it on. Create a screen time passcode separate from the device lock so only you can change limits. Set downtime to block access overnight. Add app limits for categories like social or games, and enable content and privacy restrictions to block explicit content and purchases. If managing remotely, invite family members and enable parental approval for downloads. Make sure each finish by testing and refining. Open a restricted app to confirm the block during downtime or when limits are reached. Adjust the always allowed list for essential apps and teach users how to request a one-time extension. Once satisfied, record the screen time passcode in a secure place. If things go wrong, first check account sign-in and that family sharing links are active, update the operating system, and reset the screen time passcode if needed. That single troubleshooting step fixes most permission or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.